Whether you're tackling a simple leak or planning a full remodel, having the right plumbing tools is essential. In this video, we'll introduce you to the most important plumbing tools, explain how they work, and show you how they can make your DIY plumbing tasks easier and more effective. First up, we have the iconic pipe wrench. You'll recognize it by its adjustable jaw and long handle, designed for gripping and turning pipes and fittings. Pipe wrenches come in different sizes, so it's helpful to have a couple on hand for tackling various pipe diameters. They're most commonly used on galvanized and iron pipes found in water systems. Remember, when using a pipe wrench, always use it in pairs for the best control. One wrench holds the pipe steady, while the other applies force to loosen or tighten it. This prevents stress on the joint. Next, we have the adjustable wrench. This versatile tool is used for loosening and tightening nuts, bolts, and other small fittings. Unlike the pipe wrench, it works on hexagonal fittings rather than round pipes. Adjustable wrenches are compact, making them perfect for smaller, tighter spaces. And because they're adjustable, they're also a good alternative to having a full set of fixed-size wrenches. Teflon tape, or plumber's tape, is a simple yet essential tool for creating watertight seals. This thin tape is wrapped around the threads of pipes and fittings to prevent leaks. To use it correctly, wrap the tape clockwise around the threads to match the direction the pipe will turn. This way, the tape stays in place as you tighten the connection. The plunger is one of the most common plumbing tools and comes in two main types, cup and flange. The cup plunger, with a flat end, is ideal for sinks and tubs. Then there's the flange plunger, which has an extra lip to form a better seal in toilets. This type is specifically designed for the shape of toilet drains, making it more effective at clearing blockages. Always have both types on hand to be prepared for different kinds of clogs around the house. If your plunger can't handle a clog, the plumber's snake or drain auger is your next go-to tool. This long, flexible tool is designed to reach deep into drains and clear stubborn clogs. Feed the snake down the drain and rotate it to latch onto or break up the clog. Once you feel resistance, you can either pull out the debris or continue turning to clear it. This tool is great for handling blockages in sinks, tubs, and toilets. When you need to cut pipes cleanly, a pipe cutter is your best friend. It's essential for resizing or replacing pipes, particularly copper and PVC. To use a pipe cutter, adjust it to fit the pipe, tighten it, and rotate the cutter around the pipe. Gradually tighten with each rotation for a smooth, clean cut. Designed for those hard-to-reach places under sinks, the basin wrench has a long handle and pivoting head, ideal for tightening or loosening nuts on faucet connections. With this tool, you don't have to struggle in tight spaces. Simply hook the wrench onto the nut, then use the handle to turn. Its unique design makes it a must-have for sink and faucet work. A caulking gun helps apply sealant or caulk around fixtures like sinks, bathtubs, and showers to prevent leaks. To use it, load the caulk tube, cut the nozzle, and squeeze the trigger to apply a steady line of caulk. Smooth it out with a caulking tool or your finger for a clean, waterproof seal. Plumber's putty is a malleable sealant that's perfect for sealing joints in sinks, drains, and faucets. Simply roll a small amount into a rope shape, place it around the joint, and press it in. It creates a waterproof seal that can be easily adjusted if needed. These basic plumbing tools are essential for DIY plumbing projects. With the right tools and a little practice, you'll be prepared to handle a range of repairs and installations around your home. Let us know in the comments if there's a tool you'd like to learn more about or if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.